In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use a trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. By following these steps, you can reduce your trading costs and make the most of your vouchers. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Rewards or Voucher Center. This area will display all available trading fee rebate vouchers. Take the time to review each voucher, paying close attention to their expiry dates and any specific terms associated with their use. Understanding these details is crucial, as some vouchers may only be applicable to certain markets. After you've identified the voucher you wish to use, proceed to select it. If the voucher requires activation, follow the prompts to activate it. Some vouchers will apply automatically, while others may need to be manually selected for each trade. It is essential to confirm the eligible trading pairs and order types associated with the voucher. Avoid placing any trades before ensuring that the voucher is active to prevent missing out on the fee reductions it offers. Once you've activated the voucher, you can begin trading as you normally would. Executed trades according to your strategy, and then monitor your executed trades by accessing the order history section. This area will provide you with an overview of your completed orders, including the trading fees charged. It is important to verify that the fee rebates from the voucher have been applied correctly to your trades. Keeping a record of your trades may be beneficial for future reference. If you notice that the fee rebates are missing or not applied as expected, do not hesitate to reach out to Binance support for assistance. They can help resolve any issues you may encounter regarding your voucher usage. This step ensures that you can successfully utilize your trading fee rebate voucher without any complications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.